Hello, hello! Today we're going to review the objects in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Our home has a kitchen. This is the kitchen and it has some objects as for example the fridge. This is the fridge. Sink. This is the sink. Here, this is the table. The drawer. Stove. Microwave. Stove, sink, drawer, table, fridge. The kitchen has many objects. For example, what is it? Fridge. It is a fridge. What is this? What is it? It is a fridge. What is it? It is a sink. It is a sink. What is it? What is it? It is a pot. It is a pot. What is it? It is a pan. What is it? What is it? It is a microwave. It is a microwave. What is it? It is a microwave. What is it? It is a fork. It is a fork. What is it? It is a fork. What is it? It is a spoon. It is a spoon. What is it? It is a knife. It is a knife. Now let's do an activity. But first, let's do a quickly review. Refrigerator or fridge. Here the fridge, sink, pot, pan, microwave, fork, spoon, knife. And now let's do the activity. In this activity you have to color the elements of the kitchen. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1, fork. Number 2, plate or dish. Number 3, knife. Number 4, spoon. And you color each of the objects. You color the fork, color the plate, color the knife, color the spoon. Then you have to write here the names. Number 1, fork, you write fork. Number 2, plate. Number 3, knife. And number 4, spoon. Number 1, fork. Number 2, plate. Number 3, knife. Number 4, spoon. And this is the activity about the objects of the kitchen. Please do the activity, color, and write the names.